This video is a full-on guide on how to get to Mont Saint-Michel from Paris. I break down everything you need to know with cost so you can have a seamless experience upon arrival. We'll talk about everything from restaurants to the history of the Abbey and some tips I wish I knew. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. So, you have a few options. You can drive, which is going to take you 3 hours and 44 minutes from Paris, France, or you can opt to take the train from Gare Montparnasse to Rennes. Rennes is a perfect destination where you can take an hour and 28-minute train ride and then hop on a shuttle bus, which is about 59 minutes from Rennes to Mont Saint-Michel. And that's the option we're going to be showing you a demonstration of today. So I hope you're an early bird because this morning starts off at 5 a.m. We got to get over to Gare Montparnasse, the main terminal in Paris, which allows you to take the SNCF train, which goes straight to Rennes. It's going to cost you about €184 round trip for 2 people. It's second class, but hey, it's no big deal. It's 5 in the morning. Nobody's on the train. So once you get to Rennes, you're going to go out the terminal, go right. You're looking for the bus terminal. It was 8:26 when we arrived. It will be clearly marked Mont Saint-Michel. You're going to see a guy in an orange jacket that's going to scan your ticket. You have to book your tickets in advance. All the information for that will be in the description. But this is the bus that we're going to ride all the way to Mont Saint-Michel. So for $25 more, add that to the total from Paris to Mont Saint-Michel, you're looking at $117.
I don't know if I'm sure I want to walk. I might get out here and realize.
I think you should research. We should. Well, I mean, people
research. Only research we gotta do is how far is that thing from here? I'm gonna look and be like, yeah, we ain't walking that.
Oh my God, it's 50 minutes on foot.
50?
Yeah.
Well, it looks like we just made our mind up. To the shuttle bus we go.
Where, I mean, we can
But
walk.
you want that picture.
Yeah, I do. We can walk there and then take the shuttle back.
Where the hell is that? I'm not about to be a follower today. I will be leading people to shuttles. Damn that shit.
It's beautiful, like just driving here. It's so scenic.
Okay.
The town is.
So that bus, so the train was like an hour and 30 minutes. Then I think it was like a 20-minute wait to, actually 30-minute wait to transfer to the bus that we just rode. All this stuff I'll put in the links. That way you guys can access this stuff, find it, and get your ticket. But it's pretty seamless. You can drive here. I mean, good luck finding parking. They do have a parking lot, but I don't know. Let somebody else do it. You're gonna pay probably about the same price. You also have the option to stay the night here, which I did look at.
How much was it per night?
$350 average. That's fine when you're not paying $350 for a hotel in Paris at the same time.
Right.
So I'm not gonna be doing that.
I mean, for the most part, the bus was comfortable.
That bus was nice.
Yeah.
It was real nice.
The train, second class, wasn't so bad.
It was crowded. It was full. Like, golly, everybody going the same direction right now? Shit. I need to go a direction people are not going to. And right now we're going the direction people are going.
What's today? Today's a Monday. And there's still a lot of crowds. Imagine during the weekends.
I picked Monday on purpose too. But it is the Olympics, so I'm assuming they're coming from Paris. At least a lot of them. So what do you think? Another
20 minutes.
You think that's 20 minutes?
Yeah.
And that, folks, is the shuttle that we should have took. So you don't think you could walk across that?
No way.
Yeah, it looks a little deeper than, I don't know, I probably could stand in it. I don't know if I would want to walk in it though. It's a lot of floaties.
Yeah.
We have finally set foot over the bridge.
Well, if you're anything like us, you're probably hungry. And good news is there's tons of options. Everything from Italian pizza, French food, crepes, anything, you name it, it's there. Just make sure you pawn your watch and rent out your house because some of these restaurants are stupid expensive. There are some on the outside that are affordable, but the ones in the interior, oh yeah, you better bring your wallet for sure.
Thailand has J5's omelet, and apparently this one is a 100-year-old recipe, and it's super airy and delicious and fluffy. So we're gonna try it and see. As you can see, the line is long. We got our crackers. We got our coffee.
We don't even drink coffee.
This is that ooh wee. Ooh wee. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Wee wee.
It's kind of counterproductive, don't you think? Alcohol and coffee.
Here we go, first bite.
Just couldn't wait, huh?
Nope, sure couldn't. Hey, honey, you better eat yours because I'm about to devour yours. You better hurry up. I'm coming. I'm coming for it. It's coming. I'm coming. So this dish is $45, and your dish was what, 42? Huh? These guys are making a killing off of chicken eggs. Chicken eggs. So I don't know if it's worth $45. I would probably sell this for a strong 32. That's me being nice. Only because of the process in which the egg was made. It's very, very detailed. It's really cool.
Labor.
It's extremely fluffy too. It was great.
Labor intensive.
But we got to get out of this restaurant. And we need to go see the rest of Mont Saint-Michel because we just got here and we already eating. We ain't done nothing yet. How you feeling?
You know what this reminds me?
What's up?
The Tiger Cave in Thailand. Freaking stairs.
You only went up 5 seconds of stairs, babe.
Oh
What are you
my
talking
goodness.
about? Hey man.
Oh, that's Stairmaster, boy.
You didn't know what you were getting into when you were hanging out with me? It's not an adventure if you're not sweating.
Now here's some history for you. Legend has it, Mont Saint-Michel began in 1708 after the Archangel Michael appeared to Bishop 3 times in a dream. In 906, Duke Richard I of Normandy installed monks on the mount and construction of the abbey began in 1023. The abbey began to produce and study large manuscripts, which became the center of culture during the Middle Ages and welcomed pilgrims from all conditions, including several kings of France and England. By the Middle Ages, the abbey served as a fortress for the Duchy of Normandy, and through the construction of fortified walls and the abundance of tides due to this area, by the 17th century, pilgrimage ran out of breath and the abbey turned into a prison. But eventually, by 1863, the prison was closed. By 1979, Mont Saint-Michel was added to the World Heritage List by UNESCO, and as you can see today, it's open to the public for us all to see and reflect on the history which this structure has served.
So, is this a perfect trip to take from Paris?
Yes.
Like, if you didn't come here when you went to France, do you feel like you missed out?
Yes.
So if you look out here, this is completely covered by water 15 days a year. No access whatsoever, only the shuttle will be able to access via the bridge, but during those off seasons you can actually go out here and play in the sand if you really want to. So in the beginning of this episode I told you about the shuttle. Well folks, that's the shuttle right there on the left, and that is the line for the shuttle. I have no idea how long it takes to get on one of these buses because we saw the line and it wasn't moving very fast, so we left.
This is the end of the line.
When your wife's at the end of the line and I say, no, we're not doing it.
Yeah, I know. I will keep
The line
my
is
steps.
forever. So just some tips. Rent the bike. Rent the damn bike.
Biggest mistake. did today.
Walking is cool, but it's overrated. Rent the damn bike. 12.50 euros
For half day.
for a half day. Shit, I would have bought the damn full day. Just rent a bike. Because you don't want to wait in that line at the end for the buses. God knows how long it is. So we decided just to walk back. But yeah, and I'll go to the restaurant, Lemire Pollard or something like that.
It's the first restaurant.
The first restaurant where you see omelets. As soon as you walk in, it's a major go. You gotta go to that restaurant.
For their omelet.
Known for their omelet. It's amazing cooking process. You've never had an egg like that in your life, I guarantee it. Other than that, I don't have any other tips. I would say come on a cool day, hydrate, nothing really out of the ordinary, pretty standard stuff in there. Buy a ticket. Hey, you can't get your ticket at the front gate. You bypass a pretty big line if you buy your ticket at this front gate right when we get dropped off from that first bus.
Information center.
Information center, yeah. Get your $13 ticket there, then you don't have to stand in another line. It'll be like 2 lines. Make sure you're in the right line because you'll just be waiting. But outside of that, bye-bye. Bon voyage. How do you say? Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Mont Saint-Michel. It was nice, it was lovely. If you liked the video,
Magnifique. Fantastique.
hit me with a like. If you want to subscribe to the channel, subscribe. Until next time, Mr. Black Adventures.